Hi, my dear children. Hope you're having a good time. So, just to cut out the time in this lockdown, we'll make an instant cake. Okay? So, we will need a few ingredients. First, we will have some biscuits. You can have any biscuits of your choice. I am having Parle-G and Marigold biscuit. You can have anything like bourbon, etc. Any chocolate biscuit or sweet biscuit. Okay, we'll put it in a mixer jar and here let's grind it. Okay, here we go. Sugar also by churning it. So I have put around 4 teaspoons of sugar and we will give it a good churn. Okay, I think it's done. Yeah, here it is. So we will take a mixing bowl and all the mashed ingredients. See, it's just your favorite biscuit, sweet biscuits and 4 teaspoons of sugar. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, or you can use a sachet of Eno fruit salt. Whatever is available, you can use it. Either baking powder or Eno. So now we will take a little lukewarm milk and slowly add it. Keep adding slowly. So keep mixing it, give it a mix. You have to be careful that there are no lumps. Hot chocolate powder to it, as I have not used chocolate biscuits, so it's your choice. Keep giving it a good mix. See, you have to stir it in a single direction only so that there are no air bubbles. So I have taken a mix of dry fruits. It's your choice to put it or not, or else if you have tutti frutti, you can put that also. Just keep stirring it. Okay. Now I have taken a silicone mold, or you can take a baking dish, and you have to take some oil or ghee and you have to grease it. You have to grease it properly. You can add some ghee to this mixture also. Okay. Now we will pour this batter into the mold. So you have to pat it a bit so that no air bubbles are in it. Now we have to microwave it. So it's an instant cake. So we will do microwave and it will be ready in around 6-7 minutes. So I have switched on the microwave on full power and we have to set the timings. I have set it to around, sorry, just a second, around 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we will check it with a knife whether it's done or not. So it's about to be done. A few seconds left. Okay, now we will check. You have to be careful because it will be quite hot. Okay, now we will take a toothpick and wait, let me take it out first. You can take help of some elder because it's really going to be too hot. Okay. Now you have to take a toothpick and you have to check. It's coming out clean. See? Or if needed, we can microwave it for a few seconds more because I think it needs. So I'm just putting it for 1 minute. We have waited for 1 more minute, so cooking time will be approximately 7 minutes. Okay, now we will check. Wow, it's coming out clean. Okay, now but before plating it, you have to wait for it to be cooling down so that it doesn't break, because it's so fluffy. It will break if we take it out without cooling it. Now we have given it some time to cool down, and now we will take a plate, put it like this. Be careful. Wow, yeah, done. Wow, see, it has come out so nicely. Yes, see. Now we will cut it. See the sponginess. So enjoy how spongy it is. Now just make it for your family and enjoy. Bye bye.